Alright, yes guys, welcome back to the second name macro. Hope everyone's doing well. We're about to get a bearish displacement lower here, so we've just been consolidating for this whole time, and I want to see a break below this low, displacement lower, and then we can take some shorts, target 50% of this range, and get that retracement, okay? So we'll see what we get. We've got about a minute until the macro. ES has already retraced to 50% now. So ideally, I want to see ES take these lows and then the displacement higher. I do want to see shorts, but since ES already retraced to 50%, guys, there's literally no point of taking shorts. So longs make more sense here. All right, guys, I'm going to be taking this along here, okay, towards Asia highs. Since we have equal highs at Asia, I think that is going to be the draw on liquidity for us. We've just swept liquidity on ES, and we've also retraced to 50%. So I'm going to be taking this unicorn here if we can get an entry.
Order filled.
I'm wrong with that, guys. SL at 21, 375.25. And we have one TP on this at Asia highs. I'm going to reduce my risk a little bit here, guys. But this does look a pretty clean trade. I do see the Asia high and equal highs be the draw. So we should get that. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we just took that high now. I'm moving my stops 403.25 to that low there. Pretty much a risk-free trade now, guys. Going on my TP just slightly.
Order filled.
TP smash, boys, let's go. Let's go. TP1 smashed We're fully out there, boys. 1 TP on that one. Good shit. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's get some W's in the chat if you lot caught that. Oh my god, we're spamming the W's. So let's quickly go over this trade. What's the reasoning behind it? Why did we take it in the first place? Because some of you may look at this and go, okay, does not look that clean. It doesn't look that clear to you. Someone with experience in the market, they can spot these trades, okay? Even though it doesn't look the clearest, it's still valid. So my whole kind of bias and reasoning behind taking this was obviously we had this big price range here and I wanted to see price retrace into 50%, okay? So when I looked at ES already done that. As you can see here, it went down, it retraced, and it swept sell-side liquidity. So we had that sweep of liquidity on ES, and then we started to displace and get unicorn model here. Okay, so unicorn model is that break block with the FEG. So anyway, we had that break on gap, okay, I want to see an entry here. We had an additional fair value gap just slightly above, which I decided to enter off that one because that is the first one. You always want to enter off the closest fair value gap, okay, which is that one. So we entered off that one, stopped below that displacement candle was low, and we simply targeted equal highs. So we had this wick here and we had Asia high. So that was a very strong draw liquidity for me. 1 TP there, that's it. Very simple trade breakdown. We'll see what tomorrow and Friday has in store for us. We should get some good price action Thursday and Friday because we have news coming out finally. So hope you lot enjoyed the stream. Make sure to send your profits on Telegram. Have a great rest of your day. I am out, guys. I'll see you lot on tomorrow's live stream, okay? Take it easy.